Naisipan ko pong mag-choreograph ng dalawang pyesa for the PDSP culminating. Ang una ay isang duet neoclassical piece. It's called In the Midst of Overcoming. It's all about coping up with life and what makes us go on. The second piece is called Inlababo. It is inspired by Eddie Peregrino's music and it's all about faces of love. Overwhelming siya dahil sa una, I get to work with this amazing dancers. They're not just technically good, they're not just mature dancers. I can see and I can feel their passion and their hunger to learn more. To choreograph in this time of the pandemic is a reward, an opportunity to show that art is alive. Hope to see you soon online.